Okay, this video is being filmed to show the operation of the Schaefer topside coater. This type of coater is a machine that applies adhesive to the top surface of a part and leaves the bottom dry. It's well adapted to conveyor lines and to situations where you can't handle the glued side of a part. We'll show you the basic operation and cleanup. This is a 38-inch wide topside coater. The machine is built in widths from 15 to 40 or to 50 inches wide. Parts are fed in here, and the coating roller applies adhesive to the top surface of the part being fed through. The drive is located under the guard, and it's a DC variable speed drive, so we can control the speed of parts going through. The adhesive is put in this reservoir and then circulates up through this valve and is dispensed on top of the rollers. From there it recirculates back down through collection chutes to the reservoir again, and it continually recirculates. Now here we're showing you a view of the adhesive being dispensed between the rolls. So the adhesive dispensed at the center and flows both directions along the roller and into collection chutes or side wipers at the ends of the rolls. Drops down the side wiper into a small collection chute and then into a collection tray which goes the length of the machine. Collection tray directs it back to the center of the machine and then down to the reservoir for recirculation. You can see here again the adhesive flowing from the collection chute back down. Controls are forward and reverse, run and jog, and we have a jog button here which is used primarily during cleaning of the machine. Stop button here, and the machine will also stop if the cover is lifted because there's a magnetic switch here to sense that. This control is linked to a DC drive, and we have separate controls down here for both the run and the jog speed. Here's the run speed, and then the jog speed. Jog speed is normally set much lower than the run speed. The fluid recirculation is by means of a pump located here. We also have a wash down system which has a separate pump for washing down with water or whatever material. Now on the output end of the machine you have your control for your height of your feed rolls and the output table. Those are controlled with air cylinders. The thickness of parts being run can be adjusted here, and there's a lock knob to set that in position. So you simply adjust to compensate for the different thicknesses of the parts and lock it in position. Now to run a part, simply set on the feed table, brought up to the rollers, and the machine will carry it through. This now applies a coating to the top surface. Now if we want to run a part faster, we'll just change the speed control, raise the run speed up a bit, and we're running at a different rate. Now for cleanup, the glue circulation pump is shut off. Then we also switch a valve located on the top of the machine to divert, or it actually shuts off the glue pump and allows the wash water to come into the machine instead, washing both the valve and the rollers. So for wash down, the output table is removed. Under the output table is a collection tray to collect the wash water. This will send it down to a reservoir which can be discarded afterwards. So for cleanup, you would open the guard. This stops the rollers. You can now raise the side wipers. Fit the collection table in, or collection tray into the machine. which will collect all the wash water from the rollers and side wipers. Let the machine run and turn on the wash water, and the wash water will now be flowing off the ends of the rolls, washing the rolls and the side wipers, and being collected and sent down to the reservoir. You can see here the wash water being collected and sent down to the collection tray. Over here's a view of that wash water running. Again, we bypassed the safety on the guard, so you can see the rollers turning with the guard open. The majority of the machine cleanup will be done simply by running water through it. Now here we've opened the rollers wider, so the wash water is running over the full surface of the roller into the collection tray. If we readjust this, bring the rollers closer, we'll switch back to flowing only off the ends. Now we're back to flowing off the ends only. Now for final part of cleanup, the side wipers are removed. The collection tray can now be removed. And then other parts, the collection chutes, and so forth, can be removed. The feed table is taken off. Here are the collection chutes. Those can be removed and washed separately. Okay, so this group of parts now can also be washed the same time as the collection tray. These are washed in a separate wash area. The hoses can also be removed from the machine. Those can be washed separately. With the hoses removed, the reservoir can be covered and left overnight. And all the parts from the machine can be removed, put back in there, and the machine will be ready for its next operation. Thank you for watching this video. If you have questions on this machine, please feel free to call us at 800-243-5143. Thank you.